4 things you can do today to keep the plumber away. The first is these pop-up style vanity drains. These things collect hair and debris like you would not believe. So you do not need to shut the water off to do this. So if you have shutoffs, don't even touch them, there's no need. What you're going to look for is this nut on the back. And if you're upside down and backwards and have no idea which way to turn it, then you're like everyone else. But back it off, and you're going to want to pull that rod out. And that's going to release the pop-up in the drain, and it's going to be full of hair. It's going to be full of everything, and that's why your drain is slow. So actually, in making this video, I realized I don't have fingernails, so you got to put it back in just so you can pop that tab up enough to get your fingers in there. If you have fingernails, you might be able to grab it. Clearly I don't, you can see. But now I'm able to lift it up. You don't have to lock it in place. And then I'll pull the rod back out, and now I can pull it out. So now you can see mine's actually not that bad because I do this, I'm not going to say regularly, but if I notice the drain is getting slow, I'll just clean it out. And what you can actually do is get in there and actually clean the drain out. So grab a hook or something like that if you see hair and just pull it out. This one's not too bad because like I said, I do this, I don't know, twice a year maybe. The next is if you have a toilet that you constantly hear run, a lot of the times it's the flappers, but not always is it the flappers. Sometimes these fill valves will need to be reset. Now they're set when the toilet's installed, or they should be set properly when the toilet's installed, but they do have a bad habit of climbing up a little bit over the years. And you can see this rod here that I'm turning back and forth. That's just going to lower and raise the float valve on the fill valve. So that there says add water, that says take away water. So if it's going over top of this, that means then it's going into the bowl and it's just going to keep trying to satisfy itself. So if you look on the top of this rod here that I was turning, there was a plus and minus sign. The next is the clicker style bathtub drains. A lot of people don't know this, but they can be spun out very easily. And at that point, again, you're going to have hair, you're going to have debris stuck in these drains. So get a little hook and pull this stuff out. The next is calcium buildup on aerators. I use an old toothbrush and just give it a quick clean. That's going to help the faucet run like new again, so it's not just splattering out everywhere. Especially with these newer style faucets where I wouldn't even try and take that thing out. But thanks again for watching, everyone. Please follow and like for more.